Whether you love to tailgate or you're on the go as a family with kids and sports, you're picking up food on the run, it's expensive, it's a mess, you have all those containers, so many lids, so many pieces, they don't fit together, and you try to eat healthy? PrepNServe is for you. 5-minute meals by PrepNServe. It's that quick when you make it like a restaurant. They have the line where everything is under one lid, and this system is also. This one lid seals everything separately so that one grid can seal every container no matter how you put them in, and it becomes a tray that your box can sit on. So all your containers fit together, they snap together. Each container can be used on its own because it has a lid, but they also go in the box and are useful without the lids. When you're storing them, they take up so little space in your cupboard. You could store hundreds of containers in the space you use now. Whether you're making a pizza, sandwiches, a salad bar, stir fry, anything you think up, you can make, but it's easier when your ingredients are ready for you. Just take off the lid, whether it's a buffet or you're using it for leftovers. Imagine Thanksgiving having this box to take leftovers home. You could back us on Indiegogo. 5-minute meals are in the reach of everyone. PrepNServe.com.